Are you ready to unlock your inner artist and embark on a thrilling journey of creativity, inspiration, and self-discovery? Because today, my friends, we're about to dive headfirst into a world where imagination knows no bounds and artistic expression takes center stage. Whether you're a seasoned painter or someone who's never picked up a paintbrush before, this show is designed to awaken your creative spirit and set it on fire. We'll explore a tapestry of art forms, from abstract masterpieces that defy logic to sculptures that breathe life into the mundane. Get ready to witness the magic of creativity unfold before your very eyes. But wait, there's more. We're not just exploring art, we're also diving deep into the wellspring of your imagination, where dreams take flight and ideas dance like fireflies in the night sky. So, are you ready to embrace your artistic potential and embark on this exhilarating adventure together? Well then, let's roll up our sleeves, grab our brushes, and ignite our inner artist. In today's episode, we're kicking off our creative journey by exploring the power of vision boards and how they can fuel our artistic fire. Vision boards are more than just collages of pretty pictures. A vision board is a visual representation of your goals, dreams, and aspirations. It's a powerful tool that can help you manifest your desires and stay motivated. By creating a tangible representation of our desires, we invite the universe to conspire with us. How do you create a vision board? First, start by gathering some magazines, newspapers, or any other materials that inspire you. Then, cut out images, quotes, and words that resonate with your goals and aspirations. As we curate images, quotes, and symbols that resonate with our hearts, we infuse our artistic journey with intention and purpose. It's like setting a compass towards a future brimming with creative possibilities. Next, arrange the cutouts on your board in a way that feels right to you. It's different for everybody. You can also add your own drawings, photos, or anything else that inspires you. The wonderful thing about vision boards is there's no wrong way to do it. Whatever works for you, whatever looks good to you, is right. By choosing these images, we're tapping into our imaginations and exploring our desires. This can help you unlock your creativity and inspire you to create something new. For example, you might see an image on your vision board that inspires you to create a painting, a drawing, or even a video. Once you've created your vision board, place it somewhere you can see it every day, like on a wall, by your bed, near your desk, by your front door, or by a refrigerator. Who doesn't spend time by the refrigerator every day? This will help you stay focused on your goals and keep you motivated. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more creative inspiration. See you next time when you ignite your inner artist.